Hello everyone and welcome to this Storebuild.ai review. Is this the best AI store builder for e-commerce? Well, establishing an online retail presence can be complex and a time-consuming endeavor in today's competitive market. Storebuild.ai emerges as a solution promising to automate much of the process, thus allowing you to create fully functional, optimized Shopify stores with minimal effort. This tool is designed to simplify everything from product listings to overall store design, making it accessible even to those new to e-commerce. We have the link to Storebuild.ai in the description below so you can get a head start. We will be talking about the features, the pricing structure, the pros and the cons, and at the end, you'll be able to make an informed decision on Storebuild.ai. Storebuilder leverages AI to streamline the store creation process. Its core features are designed for automation and ease of use. You have AI-powered store content creation. This feature fully automates the Shopify store setup, handling niche selection, product import, and storefront customization. It's designed for quick launches without manual input. Then you have the AI-powered product selection, as it uses AI to identify current market trends and select high-demand products for your store, eliminating the need for manual product research. Automated pricing and profit optimization. Now, Storebuild.ai continuously analyzes competitor pricing and market trend, dynamically adjusting your product prices to maintain competitiveness and maximize profits. Built-in marketing and AI ad management. With this tool, you can automate ad campaigns across platforms like Facebook, Google, and TikTok, effectively promoting your product even if you lack ad management experience. And you have an AI-integrated fulfillment and order processing. Once an order is placed, the platform automatically routes it to suppliers for fulfillment, managing packaging, shipping, and returns for a truly hands-off operational process. And now with these features, you surely want to hear about the pricing. Now, this is where Storebuild.ai offers a fantastic advantage. Storebuild.ai is completely free to use for building your AI-powered Shopify store. There are no hidden fees or direct costs for the Storebuild.ai service itself. This means that you can leverage its powerful AI tools to create your store without an upfront investment in the builder. However, to run your online business and make your store live, you'll need to cover the recurring costs associated with a standard Shopify subscription. Storebuild.ai works in conjunction with your Shopify account. Storebuilder often provides exclusive offers like getting your first month of Shopify for just $1 after a free trial when you sign up through their links. Now here's our recommendation. Given that Storebuilder itself is free, it's an incredible tool to kickstart your e-commerce journey. We recommend starting with a basic Shopify plan at $19 per month when billed annually, combined with Storebuilder's free builder. This low-cost entry point allows you to test your niche, launch quickly, and leverage powerful AI automation without a heavy initial investment. It's the most cost-effective way to get your professional AI store built online today. And now with these awesome services, we want to talk about the pros and the cons. It provides you with a completely hands-free approach. It's designed for beginners. It is, of course, a free AI store builder and an AI-driven optimization platform. On the flip side, with the cons, it requires separate Shopify subscription. While Storebuilder is free, you must still pay for a Shopify plan, which is a recurring cost for running your store. Reliance on automation. While it is a pro for beginners, seasoned e-commerce users might desire more granular manual control over certain aspects than the fully automated process it provides. In conclusion, Storebuilder.ai stands out as a truly innovative and accessible platform for anyone looking to enter the e-commerce space currently. Its core offering for a free AI-built Shopify store, combined with robust automation for product selection, pricing, marketing, and fulfillment, makes it an incredibly powerful tool, especially for beginners. While you'll still need to factor the cost of a Shopify subscription, Storebuilder.ai effectively eliminates the barrier to entry for building the store itself. So if you're seeking a fast, automated, and cost-effective way to launch your online business, Storebuilder is an excellent choice. Don't forget to follow the link in the description for an easy access, and if you found this helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.